Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views. I'm back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a review of some smart sockets, some smart plugs from Gosund. But before we get started, let's get this politicking and business out of the way. If you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Hit that subscribe button, subscribe, alright? Now we got that politicking and business out of the way. Let's get started. Alright. This is your boy Mark, Loose Screws and Views, back again with another video. And like I said, I'm doing a review on some smart plugs. Let me tell you what we got here. We got some smart plugs from Gosund. You know, they work with Alexa, they work with all your little smart devices like the Google Home and all that good stuff. And you know, so you can control your stuff using your smart speakers or whatever. You know, you don't got to worry about flipping those switches anymore, nothing like that. You got to make sure that it supports like a 2.4 gigahertz network. You know, we got a 4-pack here, all white. And they got the circular kind. So that's enough for the talking. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got. I already got one of them out, and because I wanted to get that already programmed before we got started. So for time's sake, I got the 4-pack, and I'm really liking these plugs. You know, because I like it because they got a smaller footprint. Because I have another plug that's a little bit bigger. It's like the square ones we did in my other videos. I don't have it with me right now, but I had to sit here somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, I'm kind of liking these a little bit better because it's smaller. Let me show you what I got up here on deck. See, I already got one already plugged up into a device because I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you guys. Show you how you can go ahead and I got my little utility lamp here. I'll put it aside because I don't want to too much blind you with the hair on here. Alright, now I'm putting it on this side where you see the light come on. Like I said, you get 4 in the box. This one comes in the box. Got your little instructions. Tell you on how to got it upside down. Tell you on how to you know, program it and all that good stuff. Let's see, you got 4 plugs in the box. One comes with a little plastic protecting the plug itself. 2, 3, and I'm thinking that's all you really get in the box. That's all you really need. Let's see, anything else in here? Nope, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. So I'm gonna put these bad boys back in the box because we already got one out, and that's all we need for right now for the video. But we'll show you, like, okay, on you got the, you know, little branding itself on the front where the plug outlet is itself, little small outlet, and got your power button. You know, turn it on and off right there manually. You know, and then also for programming. You know. And you got the little protective thing, and you got your little on here. I'm gonna see if you can get it a little closer so you can see it. Got your little information on the bag, telling you the wattage, voltage, all that good stuff on the back. So I'm gonna put it back in the box. And we already got one hooked up. But I'm gonna tell you where you want to go to. You can get these. You can pick these up on Amazon for about $33.99. That's where you can get it from on Amazon for $33.99. So, like I said, I got one right here already hooked up, and I'm gonna move these out of the way, and I'm gonna turn the lights down. Well, I might not even have to turn the lights down. So I got it plugged in. If I can get this to act right, okay, got that right there. I'm gonna put the instructions to the side. Now, what you're gonna need to do is go to the Google Play Store, or whatever. Go and download the app, the Smart Life app. Let me show you the app. See here, Smart Life app. I had it pulled up. Yeah, right here. You want to get this Smart Life app right there. Download that app. Then you go on and register your product, and go ahead and sync it to your Wi-Fi of your network and your house or wherever you got them using them at. Once you do that, you register the product and all that good stuff, and getting it down, have the app downloaded, tongue-tied. The app downloaded, then you go ahead and after you do that, you want also, if you got a smart device like Alexa or Google Home or whatever smart home, whatever device you got, you want to go onto that website, make sure you get that app downloaded, and go ahead and register the product and sync it, and then that way you can control your device through your Alexa, which I'm gonna show you here. So I got it turned on. I'm turning some of the lights down in the studio. All right. Let's see. Make sure the plug is on. Matter of fact. Okay, as you see, I use it manually to turn it on, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. I'm gonna turn the lights down in the studio, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is. You know, once you get it downloaded and all synced up, it's simple. It makes life a whole lot easier. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and tell Alexa to go ahead and turn on the device. I named it Shop. Alexa, turn on Shop.
Okay.
Bam. See my hands right here? I ain't doing nothing. I ain't touching nothing. Let's do it. Let's tell Alexa to turn it off. Alexa, turn off Shop.
Okay.
Bam. Too easy. Too easy. You could tell when it's on because you'll see this light comes on. Alexa, turn on Shop.
Okay.
See the red light right here? I'm gonna pull this up close up so you can see. You see the red light on here? Alexa, turn off Shop.
Okay.
See, and it goes off when the device goes off. Too easy, too simple. I'm telling you, if you want something to make your life a little easier around the house, and you know, you get tired of getting up out of bed, especially if it's cold or whatever. You don't want to get up out of the bed and go ahead and flip those switches and turn this off, turn that off. And also you can set timers on it. Once you go to the app, open up the app and set it to the way you want to. You can set timers. Let me see if I can open up this app real quick for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Okay, I opened up the Smart Life app. I don't know if you can see that right here. And I got it named Living Room Shop. You know, and down here on the app, you know, I got different ones on here. Studio. And you can go down here on the bottom. You go to Smart. And you go to different automations or whatever. Smart scenes. Let me go back to home. You know, as you got it, you got to name different things up here. And like I say, you can also set. Let me go to Shop. See right here, you could do. You can control your switch right. You control the switch from the app. Turn it on from the app. Turn it on. Turn it off from the app. And you can set timers right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, timers. And you can set a schedule to turn on whenever you want to turn it on. So, I mean, it's so many different things you could do with it, and it makes life easier. You know, you can set timers. Like if you're away from home, you can set a timer for it to come on. You can set a schedule for it to go on off at a certain time. Or if you know you want to set a timer. You know, you want your light to stay on for, like, say you know you're in the kitchen doing something, and you want to just set a timer for it to go off. You know, at a certain time, bam, you cut the light off. Whatever device you got hooked up at a certain time. Like you want to have the music playing only for an hour. You know, while you're studying or something, you have set an hour. When music go off, you know the time is up. All right, it's time to go ahead and do whatever next. You know what I'm saying? It's too easy, too easy, too easy. Turn the lights back up in the studio. Too easy, too easy. I mean, look. If you're looking for something, you know, to make your life a little easier around the house and some more smart tech like that, I would go with these. And I think I like these a little bit better than the other ones I had. I did a review on about a week ago because they're a little bit smaller. The other ones were like a rectangular shape. You know, they were like a little bit longer, took up a little bit more space on the outlet. This takes up less space on the outlet. As you can see right here. Don't take up that much space. The other one was rectangular. It was like came all the way out here or whatever, or long ways. This takes up less space, and that's why I think I like these a little bit smaller profile. So if you're in the market for you know, for smart plugs, you know to automate your home or your office or whatever you got going on, I would say go with some of these smart plugs from Good Sound. Let's go close up the box so we can see the box. Close it up. And also always say, I hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. I'm messing up the box. See, if you got a 4-pack, $33.99, and that's not a bad price. I mean, for something like this, compared to buying some expensive like Hue bulbs or something to control your lights or whatever, this is a much cheaper, much budget-friendly route to go. So I would definitely go with these. All right, check these out. You get a chance, go on Amazon, check these out. You get smart plugs from Gosund. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. And if you haven't already, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Alright? And the message for today is, don't take people's kindness for weakness. Don't use people, manipulate people for your own wants and desires. You wouldn't want nobody to do that to you. If somebody's nice to you or something, whatever, don't take advantage of it. Sometimes you might say, oh, I appreciate it, but that's okay. I don't need the help or whatever. Don't be a user and take people's kindness for weakness and use people. All right? That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws Reviews. Subscribe, and I'm out.
Listen to the lyrics, tell you one thing. When it comes to rapping, I with a championship ring. When it comes to smacking, I'm just blacking in the game. When it comes to flowing, I got the flow is insane. If you saying something different, use a lane. Maybe you got something wrong with your brain. I ain't gonna argue with you, if that's your opinion, I'm just gonna sit back.